Good morning, boys and girls. For our morning work today, we're on Unit 5, Week 4, Day 4. The directions say edit and write each sentence correctly, circle each subject pronoun, and underline each object pronoun. Number 1, that loud cough was hers. Fix it up, rewrite it nice and neat on the line. Number 2, shall we laugh at his funny joke? Same thing, rewrite it nice and neat, or fix it up, rewrite it nice and neat on the line. Pause your video, do number 1 and number 2. Daily math review, pause your video, do numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Number 6, the strategy is making 10. So if 12 plus 4 equals 16, 10 plus a number also equals, where is it at? 10 plus a number also equals 16. So you're going to do that for each of the problems. Pause your video, do number 6. Number 7, Mrs. K's class measured their pencils and made a line plot of the results. So number of pencils measured. So then this is the length of pencils in inches. So there were no pencils that were 0 inches, no pencils that were 1 inch, 2 pencils that were 2 inches, 3 pencils that were 4 inches, 4 inches pencils that were 6 inches, 5 pencils that were 7 inches. So how many pencils are longer than 4 inches? So that's what you need to find out, and then write the answer here, how many. Pause your video and do number 7. Number 8, we're going to subtract by using place value for 987 minus 436. Pause your video, do number 8. Number 9, what fraction is the shaded part? So your top box is what's called your numerator. That's how many are shaded. Your bottom box is how many squares in all, shaded and unshaded. Pause your video and do number 9. And let's start checking from the top. That loud cough was hers. So cough is spelled incorrectly. It's actually, as soon as I get my pen back on the screen, where'd it go? C-O-U-G-H is cough. Was is W-A-S. And then hers looks good. All right, so I'm going to rewrite it nice and neat on the line. All right, number 1's looking good. Down to number 2, shall we laugh at his funny joke? So laugh is L-A-U-G-H at his, not he's. So it's going to be H-I-S. And then we're asking if we should. So this is not a period. It should be a question mark. Then we're going to rewrite it nice and neat on the line. All right, number 2 is looking good. Now I can go back and find pronouns. So let's see. That loud cough was hers. So that's the object pronoun. There's not a subject pronoun in this one. Number 2, shall we is the subject pronoun. At his is the object pronoun. Funny joke. All right. Down to the daily math review. All right, let's see. 13 minus 5 is 8. 11 minus 5 is 6. 14 minus 5 is 9. 12 minus 4 is what? 8. And then 10 minus 5 is 5. All right, down to this part. So it's helpful to solve these first. So 12 plus 5 is 17. And then 12 plus 6 is, 18. And so then this one, 10 plus 6, 10 plus 7, and then 10 plus 8. You know, I have a really weird looking 8 for that one. It's 8. There we go. All right, so we said Mrs. K's class measured their pencils. So how many pencils are longer than 4 inches? So we need to know all the pencils that are longer than 4 inches. So that's going to be everything on this side of the line over here. So let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it means 9 pencils are longer then 4 inches. Okay, and then we'll do this part, subtracting by place value. So that's going to be 500. This is going to be 50. And then 7 minus 6 is 1, so 551. Get my pen working right. It's giving me problems today. What fraction is the shaded part? So there's 1 shaded part, and there's 4 total parts, so it's 1/4. All right, you're all done with your morning alert. Good luck on your next assignment.